How to fix a suspended Instagram account. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to appeal and recover a suspended Instagram account step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. If you see a message saying your account was suspended, look for the Disagree with Decision option at the bottom. Tap on that and go through the appeal process to request a review of your account suspension. If you can still access Instagram but some features are limited, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines in the top right. Scroll down and tap on Account Status under More Info and Support. Here, you'll be able to check if Instagram has restricted things like messaging, following accounts, commenting, or content reach. If you see anything without a green check mark, tap on it to learn why your account was restricted and how to appeal it. Instagram may take a few days to review your appeal and respond. And that's it. That's how you can fix a suspended Instagram account.